Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing bell notification, like the channel, subscribe, and share, as this is the #1 YouTube and cryptocurrency and XRP influencer on social media and out there in the general public speaking truth and education, most importantly, as I'm not a financial advisor. And if we look at some of the things going on, XRP showdown trading hype versus price reality, what lies ahead, nobody cares. XRP community debates, can it reach $10? SEC veteran Jones debate. XRP takes breathtaking twist, millions Kim, but this week it's zero. We'll get into some news in a little while, but let's look at the price update here. As we know, a lot of fleecers are coming unglued in this epic bear market of death for crypto over the last 12 months. And BitBoy Crypto was just the most recent one. And I expect there to be many others that come just like him that are in just as high a regard, come crumbling down and falling due to a lot of the fleecing going on. But if we look at the XRP technical analysis, we can see that we're still consolidating after our most recent pump got rejected, right? Nothing in the news has changed and nothing with the technicals have changed. And what you're going to look at here after this long holiday weekend is ending is what you want to see to get bullish is to break above this falling wedge that it's been in since we had the great pump, and it's been an orderly decline. We're coming up again to an initial 50-day moving average, which is major upper resistance. And you can see the last couple of times we've hit the moving averages. The 50 rejected us, then the 100 and blue rejected us. If you want to get bullish, you got to get over these three moving averages, get up to this 57 cents, and then hold it as major support on the bottom part of this blue trading zone, and then start to trade back up. If not, these moving averages are going to keep acting as overhead resistance. We're going to come down to 42 cents for that regional local double bottom initially that we had on the great flush, about the 25% dump that took place in the matter of about an hour, right? And then if we can't hold that, that's where the interesting points come, and that's where the criticalness happens. When we come back down, notice I said when, not if, to this 37 cents, the same support and resistance level that if we zoom out into the daily time frame and go to the way far back left machine, you can see that it was sitting on here for the better part of from May of 2022 all the way to March of 2023, nearly 1 full year. And then we had the pump. We would come to 37 cents, and then maybe even back to a macro double bottom from the most recent high down here at about 26 to 27 cents. And notice what we were talking about, but don't let this be fooled. This is all market manipulation. And in the greater good, if this is the coin that you've done your research on, this epic bear market that we're in and the capitulation that I feel will be coming is the time that is a once-in-a-lifetime generational wealth transfer that in the next bull market, if you accumulate and don't get shaken out and don't get shooken out, and you accumulate on the big capitulation, it's going to be a generational wealth acquisition that you're going to get by buying this and understanding where this price is going to go, ultimately, possibly, and where the market and what's actually going on right now with the manipulation, the fleecing of the retail trader by the institutional criminal gangster cartel, right? But look at what we were talking about. The 50 now is just about in the next 24 to 72 hours will cross, like we've been talking about since way up there. The 50 in red will cross the 100 in blue, and then eventually it'll cross the 200 in green, and it's going to be a complete flip. Instead of being green, blue, red, it's going to be red, blue, green, and that's very bearish, and that will act as something that could drive the price down even farther. But initially, we're going to watch for 42 cent local double bottom, 57 cent major upper resistance, and then a 37 cents, oh my God, we must hold this zone before we get into the last line of defense and that VP volume indicator in red, right? A quick little XLM update. It had a nice little pump this weekend, but XLM is in the same similar zone in trading as the XRP since that great pump. You can see we bounced off the 200-day moving average beautifully right here in green in the daily time frame. If we can get over the 50 in red that we're at now, we can make another run at that 13.5 cents. To get bullish short term, you got to get on top of that and hold it. And then you could flip short-term bullish. If you come up to here and get rejected, you would still be short-term bearish. 10.5 cents is your major underneath support before you would have a big step down to the 7 $1.75 or the top part of this orange trading zone, aka last line of defense to the shithouse. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll have some more updates here in a little while. Peace and love.